So I'm here to update you about this C350. This vehicle came with too many noise that is not straightforward. Why I said so is the noise is not like knocking sound, it's not like oil pump, it's not like tappet, it's not also like camshaft. But there were noise all around the vehicle. So Chomi Automobile advised that the best thing to do is not to catch here, is just to drop the engine. So the engine has been dropped for over 2 days now. The engineers are really working on top of this engine. What they discover after they open the engine is, one, the oil pump is weak, because oil pump is responsible for bringing engine oil from bottom plate to top. Because the oil pump is weak, it cannot supply oil sufficiently again since the oil pump is weak. So we remove the oil pump, remove the tappet, remove some of these metals and bearings, and then remove the camshaft. It's a total engine rebuild. It's now been coupled and will be installed. You will see it in the next video again. And the vehicle will be back alive, running smoothly. Keep watching and you'll see how we deal with this engine. When you see this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up. When you come back again, you'll see more engaging content to keep you afoot. Now, at Chomi Automobile, we don't just lose engines and work vehicles. The assets management habit of Chomi Automobile is to take care of people's vehicles. Look at the front of this vehicle, have a very wide trampoline.